We focus on people with no IT background. So the prerequisites are their commitment.
What are the prerequisites for enrollment?
We focus on people with no IT background. So the prerequisites are their commitment. How committed you are. Are you a finisher? Are you someone who understands what it actually takes to start a process and end it? You see, because it's not going to be easy. We don't sell easy. We sell support to actually make sure you get to destination. So that's what we help you evaluate. And of course, you have to have a minimum of computer literacy. We offer a test for you to understand where you are. Are you proficient, highly proficient? Because this is important. And these are the things we look at in general.